This video explains how to complete the Paying for College assignment. You'll need to have the college financial aid web page open in order to complete and find all the answers for Paying for College assignment. The questions are multiple choice, matching fill in the blank and true and false. So if you click here, you go to the financial aid web page where you'll be able to answer the questions. Here's the actual assignment. When you click that, this will open up here. You'll begin. This is much like a quiz, although it's important to note this is not a quiz. There are 15 questions for a total of 75 points. Once you start this assignment, it must be completed in one setting, but you have unlimited time to complete it.